Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious catfish pepper soup you will ever try. So let's go in. Firstly, you get your catfish. This is actually my leftover catfish. I already washed them very well. Adding my Knorr cube, and I already added my dry pepper, some pepper soup spice, and salt. So I'm actually rubbing this very well. I'm rubbing it inside the the catfish. Don't ask me why I'm using my bare hands, okay? It's mine. I'm the one eating it, so you can wear your glove if you want to. But yeah, you know, I like to feel it with my bare hands. That's weird. So let's go in. You do this, you while doing this, you have to be very careful. I'm adding more pepper because yeah, it's pepper soup. Our major ingredient is pepper. So you rub this in very, very well. This will actually be going into the fridge for a couple of hours so that it can soak in the juice. You see, I got poked. You have to be really, really careful. I love you. Don't hurt yourself. So now we'll get our pan on fire. I'll be going in with our vegetable oil. You can use your granite oil. Sorry, I'm going with my granite oil. You can use your vegetable oil or your olive oil. Okay? And now we'll be adding our chopped onion. You can chop yours better. I was just in a hurry. And yeah, we'll fry. And yeah, fry for a while. And then you can add in your pepper. So I'll be adding in my pepper right now, my fresh pepper, and then I'll allow them to, marry each other. And yeah, we aligned us to just fry. And I'll be going in with more pepper because it's pepper soup. Oh my god. Pardon me, it's actually my first time doing a voice over. And tell me if I did well in the comment section. And yeah, we're going in with my blended mixture. In this mixture, oh sorry, I have tomatoes, tatashe, and shumbo. So I'll be allowing that to cook for a while. And if you've watched this point, I want to thank you so much. Please like, share, and comment. Please follow me, please. It's actually a struggle. So I added my pepper soup spice, and I'll be going in with my no cube. Yeah. And then my salt will be going in next. I'm not adding so much salt because, I'm not lost wife. So this is the amount of salt I'll be adding. Yep. So if you want to add a bag of salt, that's up to you. Don't mind me. Anyways, we'll stir this very well and we'll cover for it to, to steam up, I guess. Yep. You see the way I'm mixing it very well. You see the way I'm doing it. That's the way you should do it, baby. Then scrape up the edges. Yeah. The ones that stay in the pots, you put them very well. Now I brought my catfish out from the freezer. You see, it has smoke in it. It's very, very cold. So I'll be adding this inside my pots or into my pots. And yeah, I'll cover and allow it to cook in its own juice. I won't be adding water at this point. I'll just add this up and cover it and allow it to cook, I guess. Okay. Here we go. You see how beautiful this look. So at this point, we'll be adding more fresh pepper. Yep, and then we'll stay. Please, while doing this, don't be rough, okay? Keep that roughness to yourself. Be very, very careful so your pepper soup or your catfish, sorry, will not scatter. So you do this gently. You flip over. That's what I'm doing. I'm flipping over. Okay? Yep. So yeah, we go. After doing this, I'm just gonna um add in my water. But you see how sweet this look. You see it. You see it. You can even use it to eat like this, but don't mind me. So let's go in. I will add my water just enough water, not so much water. You know, some of you like to overdo. You can pack water and put small water. Okay? Yeah, so this water is enough for me. Anyway, you just note that when cooking this, your quantity, the quantity of catfish you're cooking determines the quantity of spice and the quantity of water you'll be adding in. So let's allow this to cook, okay? And yeah, this is what we have. If you can, if only you can perceive the aroma. Now we'll be adding our secret ingredient, that's our scent leaf. Guys, scent leaf is actually very, very good health wise. So yeah, and it gives this pepper soup a very, you know, nice aroma. So yeah, you can actually have this with your white rice or your akidi eko. So let me know if you'll be trying this. So yeah, we're basically done. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please follow.